Hi dearest, I trust you are excellent. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this pretty auto-gele from Damask. The client actually gave me this Damask to make something for her, whatever I had to do, and I thought of making an auto-gele. So right now I'm cutting out the turban section, so to speak, and I'm trying to make sure that I leave that. Can you see the layer that has the curved lacy, like lacy part? I want to make sure that lacy part remains for me to be able to use it to make the design, the fan blades that you saw on top of the turban. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm cutting out both the hand and also the band. Then what else again am I cutting out? Yeah, so we already know how to make our turban. So I'm just showing the way I cut it to ensure that I still have my fan blade design that I want to be left on. So that's why I'm just kind of like showing these places, and also so you see the measurements. And just in case you do not know how to make a turban base, I have that in the Ventcraft Academy. You could join us. The link is in the description of the video below, and I think there should be some other kind of turbans that I've already placed from beginning on this channel. Okay, so that's the turban I just showed you. It's ready, and now what I'm doing is cutting out some excess from this material so that I can use the remaining part to form the turban, the fan on top of the turban. So that's what I'm actually doing right now. So the next thing you want to do is, have you made a paper hand fan before? If you have, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be making a paper hand fan, but this time around we're going to be making use of the Damask to make the paper hand fan. So just in case you do not know, just watch this section and get to know how to make the fan design. You can actually use any thick material to do this. So just in case you want to do the same design on any other material, if it's not thick, you can just pad it. And then you put your interfacing or wording inside so it becomes thick enough to form the hand fan and be able to stand upright in whatever position that you put it in. So that's what I'm getting done now. Hope you're gaining value from this video. If you are, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. So the next thing you want to do is to hold it at the edge. So you're holding it at the edge so it would enable you to begin to sew. So what I started doing was I started sewing here. I gave it like 2 inches and started sewing from that inch all the way. Now because the damask is quite thick, you cannot sew it as in just pass the needle through one time. No, you have to be shifting out layers and passing the needle through like that. So I did that all the way, and I did it quite some time and in and out to ensure that it held firmly. Okay, so I'm going to allow you right now to keep watching and learning. Once you're done with that, the next thing you want to do is place it on the turban base like so, and you're going to be sewing it from the hand fan the part that it's going to be touching the turban. You're going to be sewing it from there to the turban base. Okay, so I'm going to allow you to watch and see how I got that done. I sewed it all the way length, starting from the middle first of all, then went to the left, then also went to the right. So keep watching and learning. Now, don't be like me who got to forget that you have to sew the turban inside to do the running stitches to enable it to have that curve, and so that it's not like a bag. So that's what I'm doing right now. I actually forgot before I put the fan design on the turban's base. So do not forget, do that before you do the design. But just in case you did, it's not a problem. You can do so after you have put the design. So keep watching and learning. So that's how I formed this auto-gele scarf design. So I'm going to wear it so that you would see how it is. And do let me know in the comments section below, what do you think about this design? Would you be making one yourself?